can see, I'm not sleepy. Look at where I came here by 9 o'clock. Already I have spent more than 3 hours here waiting. And I don't like this. I don't like this at all. And the issue in this place is that they have one fork lift operator, which is very, very bad to me. Look at it. Look at my truck. Look at my leg. God. Truck work. Oh, God. I'm even tired. I don't know what to watch online. Are you seeing the other? Look at trucks at my back also. Wait, let me check. Yeah, look at them. A lot. I don't really know what these people are doing. For those of you that drive truck in America, in Canada, please, how is trucking in America? You guys still waste a lot of time in where you guys do go out load. I want to know, because of waiting here. I'm really tired. Look at this tractor. I'm really tired. I feel like sleeping. Really. I feel like sleeping. Get to see. Even the drivers, they are angry because one thing about this truck, as we are here now, they are wasting our time. At the end of the day, this is one of the reasons in which some people are not in their right sense of thinking. If they are doing this job, you just imagine spending more than 3 hours here waiting for him to offload, and at the end of the day, you will be fed up with stress. I don't really know what to do. I wanted to wash my truck today, but I can't because I need to rest. I need to rest. God, what? Guys, it's not easy. Autista, akitoka. Autista. God. Marima. Puttana. No. Marima, scusa. Io non sono mica italiano, che insultano il nostro creatore. Io rispetto ogni religione, sicché perdonami. God, worry. No. Guys, should I do some exercises? Let me try and do some exercise. Because this work, you need to exercise yourself. If not, you will have a big tummy. That is the reason why most truck drivers, they are so lazy. Because they don't do exercise. But I normally do before, but let me try. Let me figure out my equipment. My truck is dirty. Look at my truck. Very dirty. If I want to wash my truck now, I will only wash this way. Very slow. Let's go like this. I need something. Ah, ah, I can't again. I have turned to a lazy man. But my tummy is not that big, sha. It's not that big. My tummy. What? God. I just feel it. No. Look at what I have done. We need to get to another one. What is the meaning of this? Look how that is tobacco leaf. Guys, what is the meaning of this? I don't get. Every day. Since this week, this place has become something else. I don't understand anymore. I don't understand anymore. Karo akito kadobo tokate and Louis. Oh, I can't fire. Oh, this is the last person. Wait, is the last. Marima. Guys.